Coming to you with Zcash in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You would read that disclaimer. We're going to get over here on the Zcash chart. Zcash sitting at $238, down 0.70%. Old Zcash. Zcash, the token that's going to overtake Bitcoin and the dominance of the market in the future. Right now, she's pressing up against this trend line. She's up and down between these two areas of this area of resistance and this area down here at 235 as support. As we can see right here on the 1 hour chart, she came down, she dropped all the way down, she dropped down to $185, and then she bounced back up here, coming all the way back up to the top of the trend line here at $255, and now she's been consolidating in and out, up and down out of this support area right here that ranges from $225 up to $235. Now her resistance starts at 247 and all the way up to 256. If she can get above 256 and hold, we could push right on up to 278 before we hit another level of resistance. So looking all right for Zcash. As you can see right here, not much volume on Zcash. It's kind of 50-50. Selling and buying. You can say that this is kind of a local bottom. I'm not saying it's a permanent bottom right now. This is what we call a local bottom. It's forming a local bottom, seeing if it can break above this descending angle right here. It's showing bullish. If you pull, it's showing kind of bullish structure. Let's look at the RSI. I got to take something off because let's take the fib off. We don't need that fib. Let's look at the relative strength index. As you can see right here, we're coming across and we're starting to come down a little bit on the RSI. We are sitting below the 50 on the 1 hour chart, below the 50 on the 4 hour chart, and really low on the daily. So on the we need to pick up the momentum. So everything right now on RSI is showing that it is bearish, just consolidating right now, losing a little bit of strength, to be honest with you. Don't know if she's gonna get above this area of resistance up here above the $255 range. If she falls below this area, her next level of support is $225. I could see her dropping down through this area of support, coming down to $225 before retrying to get back up above this resistance right here. So you can look for Zcash to continue right on down, falling below this area of support, coming down to $225, bouncing and getting back up, retesting this level of resistance up here, and it's $244 to $255. There's a little break in there, but not enough. It's not enough to get up and hold up in that area without getting a rejection back down. So she's going to have to get above $255 and hold that area up there before getting up to 284, 278. Let's see. Yeah. 278 to 289. So this is where we at on Zcash, because if we look at the MACD, we're probably going to see the same thing on the MACD. It is the MACD is gradually coming down on the 1 hour chart. It has pushed its way up, on the 1 hour chart. But it's starting to turn a little bit. This MACD is starting to turn. It's not completely it's starting to get weak. So that's what we got on the 4 hour chart, and down here we can see that it's just leveled out right here on the bottom. If we do get bad news on this week, I think tomorrow's the 9th, on the 10th, Tuesday, we could be getting some bad news, and we could be pulling further back in the market. So I wanted to give you a heads up on that. Like I say, it don't look too good on the MACD. It don't look good on the RSI. I did think it was showing some bullish structure, but it's not since I'm looking at it now. It's not. It was coming, as you can see on the daily chart, it was, and then when we had that crash, it dropped out of this descending channel right here and fell down even further, way down. So on the daily chart, she could, if we get bad news, she could be headed all the way down to $57. This could be the bottom for Zcash. When it's all said and done, we could be looking somewhere at being from $57 all the way down to $30. I just want to give you that heads up. Even though we're sitting at $240, Bitcoin's going to pull much further back. So before you start buying in on Zcash, think about it. Watch this market. We look at the VIX. The VIX is showing no. It's showing it's pretty stable. It was up at 23, and now we're sitting at 17.77. Would like to see it come right on down to 13 down here, but we'll have to see. It was at one point sitting all the way up at 28, almost 29, and we've come down and made it like a U shape on the VIX. So this lets us know when we got a stable market and when we got an unstable market. So right now it's sitting under the 20, and we got a pretty decent stable market. A lot of people sold off, selling's cooled down now. So we got the crypto market. It's basically just finding local bottoms from Bitcoin right on down. You got a few tokens that's doing okay, a little bit better than others, like Bitcoin Cash is still doing pretty good. You got Bitcoin Dominance is still up there. Bitcoin Cash is at $526. It's showing a lot of strength in this pullback too, in this market we in. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel if you want more recent updates on Zcash. But we do believe we are here, and we do believe that this token is going to be the token that overtakes Bitcoin. So it looks like to me there's a gap right here. Right here at this line. That's crazy. But I mean, it's like I don't know on the VIX, but anyway, I thought I was looking at Zcash, but that's the VIX. But that's the update we got here for you on Zcash. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back later to update you on some more crypto. Until then, God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.